Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. If you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose, depending on your trading style, the time frame is going to suit your trading. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here in the daily, today the market, it show us a weakness. Until now it's showing it falling down because there is scarcity from America. They said they got 1 billion worth of Bitcoin, $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. They are going to sell it. Even that one is a huge news. If they sell it or if they dump it, we're going to see the Bitcoin in the 10K, as we saying before. But that one is just still news. No one still believe what they're saying. Here in the daily, look at it. The market, it give us here that very clear double top here. Yes, the neckline is down here in that level here. Till now we haven't break it, so till now there is nothing yet. But if we break it, we are going to go till that low here at between 17 till 18K here exactly. Till now everything is still looking the same. But us here, people they being with us, they remember that we used to have here that flag like that we used to have it. And you can even find a picture in the community tab here in YouTube. You just go in there and searching. You're going to find it when it's showing here. I told you if it's breaking here, enter short, and that's what it's doing now. It's breaking down here. Oh, now I think we are going to go a little bit down. We don't know exactly tell where, but for us to enter long now, we need to find in a price action. Tell now there is no price action here, indicating the market is going to reverse. So we need to wait till more what's going to come in the coming days. And here, as you see it, that the 200 moving average. So till now, I think we still more room to fall down, unless if it came from here tomorrow or after tomorrow, the market to give us here something in the lower time frames like 4 hours or 30 minutes, indicating the market is going to reverse. Yeah, no, there is nothing here, and even in the 4 hours there is nothing there, so we need to wait and more what's going to come. Now either from here we're going to go back up, or from here we're going to go till the 200 moving average. Then we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days, because here in daily we're still looking great. Yes, in the weekly we're looking bad, in the monthly we're looking bad, because in the weekly the 50 moving average is crossed below. Here in the daily we got something different, we are above, but me I think we're still headed for another crash, so let's wait in the coming days. So if you got the opportunity, just this and forget about all those things me I'm telling you now. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see the coming news for today. Pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Here it is, that the coming news for today. As you see it, we don't got something very special today. Till Friday we got very huge news in Friday. But today we just got initial jobless claim. That's meant the people, they're losing the job of them. And the forecast here, it's still looking, they want people to lose the jobs of them. That what is it, the topic about all the whole day today against the Fed or the Jerome Powell, because they want people to lose the jobs of them. But the problem, and the Senate and the Congress, all of them, they been talking about that today. They're saying for the inflation to go till 2%, as Jerome Powell he want, the unemployment rate it need to reach at least to 10%, and that's a huge number. So they said they got two solutions to hurt unemployment or to hurt jobs in the US economic, or the US government and those things to reduce spending, and that it will never happen. So there are two sides here, either those ones to lose or those ones to lose, and then they prefer always the smallest one. And the smallest one who they are, or the weakest one who they are employers. So them, I think they are going to increase more interest rate, because till now it doesn't look great for them. So that's the only thing I can tell you, guys. And here, as you see, what we got here, that table of us, we're looking at it every day here. Even here, same thing. There is nothing new, because we are flat. As you see, it's 0.8, 0.4. There is no move. The VIX today, it's moving a little bit higher, but it's still a lot of scarcity in the market. You need to remember that. Scarcity is coming from Jerome Powell. That person is too dangerous. That's the only thing I can tell you. So as you see it, we're still below 20. That's something very good, but there is scarcity. It's coming Friday, as I told you. It's coming the unemployment rate and all those things, or EDP. So those ones Thomas, you need to be focused about it. I think picture is too clear here. There is nothing to explain more than that. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours here. Yesterday I told you like that. We got here a wage like that. As you see it, that's what me I told you. That wage now is getting broke here. As you see it. Now that candle here is closing below that wage. That means it's still more room to fall down. And here people they being with us. They remember that. Here we used to have here a flag like that. As you see it. When it's getting broke here. Actually that candle is it the candle of Silvergate here. Yeah. Enter a short from here because me I used to have a stop lose here exactly. So let me explain those things. Used to have a stop lose here. The candle of Silvergate, that one, it's hitting my stop lose, and me I enter a short from here because me I been waiting that flag where it's going to be broken here. See that flag how clear it's being here. So it's been like that. The flag or the candle will break it close down here. So from here I enter short, and me I told you all that. What me I told you? People they being with us. What me I told you? I told you look at it here. What we got here, we got a very clear flag here, as you see it, like that. And that flag, what we said the take profit of it is going to be down here in that level here. Did it bring it? Yes, 100%. Did you see it or no? So that how us we doing. And here now, what it's showing to us, it's showing to us we still falling down more than that. Let me show you why. If you remember that trend line us we used to have here, it's getting broke here. So now it's showing it's still falling down more than that. That bad news, that the only thing I can't tell you, but that the reality, it's showing the Bitcoin it's still falling down more, guys. So there is nothing to say more than that. Yes, now you can make even like that a wage like that, but that one is too far. There is no entry long now, as we still falling. If we break in that level here, that one here, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down to that 17k till 18k, and that's when the Bitcoin it couldn't break the 25k again. So there is no volume to break the 25k here. And that's the baddest news here. So now, yeah, I tell it to you yesterday. I came do for you like that a wage. And by the way, the video of yesterday doesn't get any views. And every time I ask you guys, please to support us. I don't ask you to support me by money or something. I just ask you to support me by just liking the video and to writing down a comment. So please go ahead and do it. So yesterday video I told you when it's breaking here, we need to enter short. Now it's breaking here. You can enter short and put a stop loss here. But also we enter short from here and we enter short from here. So I think picture is too clear here. Now it's going to tell indicators what they say in here. For pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it here, also we are very close to enter here to the oversold area. And people they being with me, they know that when me touching here, the oversold area, I'm always buying. And that's what I'm going to do. When it's going to enter here to the oversold area, I'm going to waiting for a price action for me to enter long. That's what I'm going to do now. Till now there is no price action in the chart of 4 hours. Post we still here only in the 4 hours. So that's what it's showing here. And here in yesterday video, what me I told you, you can remember that. Just go back and watch it. I told you who controlling now is only bears. Also, we're still in a downtrend. There is no bulls yet. Also, we're still in a downtrend. So that's what our indicator is showing to us. Also, we're still in a downtrend. And even here, you can even do it like that. I'll show you even that one I told you. We got here a downtrend like that. A very sharp downtrend as you see it. Every time we touch it, we fall down. And we're going to touch the oversold area. Then after that, we're going to looking for buy. But we need the price action to tell us that we are not just going to enter because of the oscillators. Oscillators, they are just indicators. We use them as a filter, but also we follow the price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area. So technically now also we need to look in for buy. That what the logic is saying, because when that one is enter here to the oversold area, you need to look in for buy level. Look at it. As we are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you remember it, last time from here, it used to be a very stronger resistance. Now here, it's become a very stronger support. Now we are in it again here. Now either from here, the market is going to give us here a price action, like how it gave us before here at double bottom. Then after that, we're going to enter long, or another scenario, is going to break for us that lower here and it's going to go more down. And here I'll show you just a few minutes now. I'll show you, we used to have here a trend line. A trend line here is being broken here, but that one, the trend line, it's been a stronger trend line actually, as you see it. Now what is it, the view? The view now, also we are going to wait either the market to give us here a price action and also we're going to enter long, or the market is going to continue down. And you can even go back and watch yesterday video in the 4 hours what me I told you here. I told you we got here a very clear wage like that. I told you if it's getting broke up here, enter long. If it's getting broke down, enter short. Till now here it's showing a little bit it's getting broke. If we don't use in the tails, if we use in here just the close of the candles, and let me explain to you what I'm saying, what I mean here. We came here, we change it like that from candles to lines like that. Look with me here now. When we are in the lines, if we came down here, as you see it here, what we got here over here, and now we're breaking down here that level here, as you see it. You get what I'm saying or not? But if you change it to candles, if you follow the tail, you are not break it yet. So depend on your trading style, if you follow the close or you follow the tail. So I think still a little bit early because now you can't enter short now because you are in a very stronger level and our indicators, they enter all of them to the oversold area. We need to wait in at least that break to happen here, and you draw it here like that. Let me show you how to draw it. You came like that and you draw in here. You're connecting those dots here as you see them, those tails, that one and that one, and you waiting the break to happen here because now it's too dangerous for you to enter now because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it here. So be patient a little bit. Now if it came and breaking above here, yes, you can enter long, but for the short now it's too dangerous to enter. It was the entry from here short, and even from here when we used to have here that wage here. Let me explain those things. We used to have here a triangle. People they been with us, they remember that. We analyze it, we enter in it, and me I go out from it because I enter from here like that. I enter here long, but will have a holding all my short tail down here. Then when my stop loss is being hitted here, I enter another short here. Let me show you all those things here. I enter another short here because that candle here is the candle will hit in my stop loss. Now over here I need to take some of the profit and I need to protect myself because I'm in a very stronger level. Till now people they haven't entered short, they doesn't need to enter now. I think picture is too clear guys here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, you can just go back and find it in our channel. In 30 minutes, where we analyze for you scalping and day trading, what I told you here. I told you we can make it like that from those tails here, here, and here. You can find that analysis like that, as if also we been knowing the future what is going to tell us. And I told you we got here a wage like that. That's what I told you. I told you if it's getting broke here, will enter short. When did it break? Here, as you see, it's breaking here. Will have you enter short. Why me? I told you need to do it that wage like that, and I remember all that. I told you because it need to break for us that last low, which is here, or that low of that candle here, as you see it. And I told you for us to enter, we need to come and we draw it like that. We draw here a trend line like that, as you see. Not the only candle which is break it here. Now, if you enter short from here at that level here, try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Try to protect yourself. Now look at the market, what it giving you here. Now it give us here like a down channel like that, as you see it. Now either that one from here is going to go back up till here and it's going to break and it's going to go up. That's a scenario. Or it's going to continue down, or it's going to come to touch here. Then after that it's going to come and to give us another low and to break for us that last low which is here. If it's breaking the last low which is here, you can enter short again. I think everything is very clear now here. So now here what me I told you, look with me here. You got here that trend line here in the top, as you see it, that one here, here, and here. That in the top. For the down, you came to that tail here, as you see it, and you connected everything with a line like that. So you got here a down channel, as you see it. That one here is going to go up that 100%, maybe till here to touch here that last low which is here, that one, or it's going to go back up to touch the top of that trend line. Then after that it's going to fall down. Another scenario, what is it? That one is going to go back up here and to break for us that trend line here, and also we're going to enter long again. Everything is very simple guys. You need to do it like how me showing you now. And here, now for you, it said you want to enter short. You just came here, you're connecting those ones like that. You see it? If that one came here, then after that to bounce and came down here, we will enter short. That's it. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. And as you see it, me, I'm talking to you, and it's showing here is going to go back up. I told you it's going to go back either to here, to that level here, or to touch the top of that channel. Then after that, we're going to see if it's going to break up or it's going to fall down. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator what it's saying. Why me? I'm thinking it's going to go back up because of that one. Look at it. You got a very clear divergence here. You see it or no? That's the first thing. Another thing, let me show it to you more. Our indicator, is it here at the oversold area, guys? Should you enter long now? No, my friend. To enter long, you came here. Look with me what I'm going to do. You came here, you drawing the trend line, how I draw it now. You waiting the break to happen here. If it doesn't break there is no entry long. Remember that. If it doesn't break here, there is what? There is no entry long. Everything is too clear. And if that one came just to here, to touch here the trend line, and after that it will fall down. Where should you enter short you? I'm going to show you. Let me show you where you're going to enter short. You came to that low, that one here, and you connected with that last low, which is here. And you waiting. If that one came here, look with me. If that one came like that and touching that trend line, which is here, and couldn't break it and to go back up, then after that, you will fall down and break a lower here. You can enter short if it's breaking that trend line we did from here and that last low here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. It's not something hard, my friend. If you've done it, thank you very, very, very much. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.